Hello guys, sorry for the dress and the face. Due to lockdown, it's horrible condition in India. But still, welcome to EU Settle program. EU Settle includes Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and USA. Every person has a dream. I have, you have, everyone has a dream, and every person aspires for something. Karl Marx wanted equality for all, so he invented communism. Gandhi wanted freedom and he wanted the British to leave. Ambedkar wanted equality for the oppressed class, and so did Martin Luther King. These people had a dream. These people had a dream and they were so much in favor of their dream that they were ready to lay down their lives. These people faced hardships and they did not budge from their dream. So, it is a matter of inspiration for us, for you, for me. So, what's your dream? And how you can fulfill it? That's what we are going to discuss. Most of the Indians, when they go abroad, they find the atmosphere very conducive. And there is a specific reason for it. The reason is uh, we face scarcity, whereas they have abundance. So the kind of lack of resources that we face over here is totally absent over there. Now, when we get a chance to face such a situation, we thrive. And the next point is how to go there. So the first thing is you can take up a job, but it's not easy. You cannot take up a job from a third world country like India. It's not that easy. So we find those things. What are the skills that are needed and how to upgrade you to that skill so that you get called over there? That is one part. Another thing is education. Yes, but many of us are not in a position to take up education on a full time basis because we have a family. So there are midways, like you can represent a company, an export import company from India or China or Vietnam, Japan, Korea, or even Afghanistan, and you can represent them in the European Union or America, Canada, where you can do some work and keep your body and soul together. Once the business starts growing up, you are free. You are in a better shape. So, how to do it? That's what we tell you, and we have a very simple two-page report. It's nothing complicated. We are not doing anything out of the world. We are doing something very simple, but there is a force, there is a team. And why are we doing it? The point is, we are also interested in increasing our team. We have companies who want to sell their products. Now, if you act as our representative in Portugal, we don't have any objection. In fact, we would welcome it. So there are many positions, many chances, but you need to have a complete different view on how to look at the opportunity so that you can utilize best of your potential. Thank you for listening. Please, uh, please fill up the form. You will get a mail, and we will guide you from now onwards. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening.